Time sa labada, more time sa pamilya.
And San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Sarap laging kasama. Yes, FM!
Nagmamadali kasi itong kliyente natin. Baka pwede mo naman gawa ng paraan. Siya na daw ang bahala sa'yo.
Mahirap yan, sir. Ayoko rin ma-involve sa mga ganyang kalakaran.
Ganyan ang Pinoy. Ang Pilipino, hindi korap. Isang paalala mula sa MS3. Naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy sulob ang damit.
Charm, Fabicon, pangong kumakabloom. Tanggal amoy kulog sa bango ng charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulog-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulog.
Tanggang kumakabloom sa charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
The stage is set and the universe is watching. Playtime proudly stands as the official journey partner of Miss Universe 2025, where beauty meets luck, cheering for our very own Atisa Manalo. Join the journey, raise our flag, let's support Atisa Manalo as she shines on the global stage. Watch the 74th Miss Universe preliminary competition live on the Playtime app. www.playtime.ph. Playtime na! Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Visit www.hugcore.ph/regulatory for more details. ASE rep number P0113 N103025P.
Playtime! Playtime na!
Nagmamadali kasi itong kliyente natin. Baka pwede mo naman gawa ng paraan. Siya na daw ang bahala sa'yo.
Mahirap yan, sir. Ayoko rin ma-involve sa mga ganyang kalakaran.
Ganyan ang Pinoy. Ang Pilipino, hindi korap. Isang paalala mula sa MS3. Naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
Mama, daming time sa lahat ng gusto nyo. Mama, daming time. Champion detergent ang gamit ko.
Sa Champion Quick Wash Technology, less time sa labada, more time sa pamilya.
Mas matindi na ang init at ulan ngayon, kaya dapat Elastosil na with Solasomer 3X formula. UV resistant, puno ng flexible premium polymers. Matibay, 3 times na tumatagal versus competing brand. Tag-init o tag-ulan, Elastosil mo yan. Pioneer, do it right.
Mula sa Pioneer Adhesive, Elastosil. Tagal-tibay, tag-init o tag-ulan. Elastosil mo yan.
Mama, daming time sa lahat ng gusto nyo. Mama, daming time. Champion detergent ang gamit ko.
Sa Champion Quick Wash Technology, less time sa labada, more time sa pamilya.
Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Always remember, sa pag-ibig, pakitawin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Wax. Ikaw na to the max.
Star Wax, ang #1 floor wax. May waterproof formula. Buhusan mo ng tubig, balikin tabang sahig.
Star Wax, Wax. Ikaw na to the max, max, max.
Star Wax Floor Wax, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine, believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Charo Santos po, lahat tayo gustong makamura. Pero gusto ba nating mabudol? Dapat, di lang basta makamura. Dapat, right med, dekalidad at abot kaya. Laging itanong, may right med ba nito?
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Kapag pumipili ng gamot, dapat yung abot kaya, pero dekalidad. Right Med. Check sa quality, check sa affordability. ACS! ACS! Iba talaga ang saya Yes Friend kapag may pera. Kaya ang Yes FM at Pride Detergent mamimigay ng 500 pesos araw-araw. ACS! ACS! ACS. Makinig lang dito sa Solid Yes FM. Abangan ang paggagawa ng DJ on air sa'yo at kapag ikaw ang maswerteng nabunot, panalo ka ng solid 500 pesos mula sa Pride Detergent dito sa ACS. ACS. ACS.
DMC Philippines presents the New Wave Event of the Year featuring Gary Newby of the Railway Children this first in Manila on November 21 at SM Skydome North EDSA together with 6 top local New Wave bands Crimson Days, Luna, Pancake 80, Candid, Progeny, and the Edrelins. Grab your tickets now, available at smtickets.com. For the first 150 VIP ticket buyers, you get 1 free event shirt plus meet and greet. This event is brought to you by Yes FM 101.1, the best. Due to overwhelming demand, the phenomenal concert is back. Experience Nonoy Zuniga Beyond Gold. The Repeat, featuring the timeless hits of the Philippines' King of Pop Ballads, with special guests Lani Misalucha, Ray Valera, Nina, Dulce, Marco Sison, and Pops Fernandez. Happening on December 9 at Newport Performing Arts Theater. Tickets are available at ticketworld.com.ph. Witness the magic and be part of the celebration of Nonoy's 50th anniversary concert, Beyond Gold. Songs of a Lifetime, presented by Echo Jam Entertainment Production and DMC Philippines in cooperation with Ponte Entertainment Productions. This event is brought to you by Easy Rock 96.3.
Gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka.
Para sa mga minamahal naming biyahero, thank you for choosing Biogesic sa biyaheng ginhawa from headache. Judy Santa Maria po, tandaan, ang headache ay pwedeng makaantala sa inyong biyahe. Kaya sa inyong hand carry items, dapat laging may Biogesic, anytime, anywhere. Ingat!
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is a generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Friend, ang rupok mo.
Ikaw, di marupok?
Marupok? Bakit ba ang rupok natin?
Paano? 97% ng Pinoy kulang sa calcium. Pag kulang sa calcium, pwedeng rumupok ang buto.
Di mag-calciumate na tayo. May Bone and Flexi Boosters. Tulong para strong ang bones and joints. With proper diet and exercise.
Most prescribed brand pa ng mga doktor.
Hi! Uy, ex mo yun, di ba? Ano ako?
Marupok?
Di na. Sa tulong ng Calciumate, made for a stronger you. Versus non-use with proper diet and exercise.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Minerals plus cholecalciferol vitamin D3 is the generic name of Calciumate. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Idol, may sakit ka yatang malupit. I got this, Rocky. Ako'y nabinat, ulo ko'y sumakit. Sakit ng katawan na may lagnat. Sabay-sabay man ang mga kuan-kuan. Rexidol 40 ang ating idol. Mas bilis banat sa apat. Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol caffeine is a generic name of Rexidol 40. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
The stage is set and the universe is watching. Playtime proudly stands as the official journey partner of Miss Universe 2025, where beauty meets luck, cheering for our very own Atisa Manalo. Join the journey, raise our